Hey everyone, so September wine unboxing. I've already unboxed them. Figured you've seen me unbox my wines often enough that you don't need to see me pull bottles out of the box, but you just want to see what the wines are themselves. I'm now getting 6 bottles a month, 3 whites and 3 reds. And this month, what I got for my whites, I got our Sauvignon Blanc, More Than Muse. Now what I like about this label is it's got a cute little poem right here, and it was written by our CEO of our wine club, Rory Rickard. And when he writes from the heart. So it's really unique that this amazing label, it's unique. You're not gonna find this label anywhere else. The More Than Muse is one of our Napa County Sauvignon Blancs. This one here is our 2016. All of them are part of our wine club, and I get this because I am a member. It is also my side gig, so while I'm a customer of the wines, I also earn money from it. Now, I also got, for my 3 reds, I actually got 2 different reds. I got a Rickard Merlot, obviously named after Rory, our CEO, and this is the 2020 vintage. I've had the 2017, now I've had the 2020, and now I get another bottle of it. I absolutely love the Merlots for relaxing at night, having with most of our meals, because just the type of cooking that I do, Merlots go very nicely with it. But now that we're getting into fall and cooler weather, yes, even in Texas it gets cooler, we're starting to bring out the spaghettis, the pastas, that sort of thing. And we've got this amazing Cabernet Sauvignon. It's the Antonio. This is their new label. It's a 2021 vintage. And the label depicts Peter Antonio, our CTO and sommelier, his Greek heritage, okay? And with that, I mean, it's got the landscape of the Grecian islands, and he's very proud of his heritage, and rightfully so. And so it gets depicted on this wine. Now, why am I concentrating so much on the wine labels this time? It's because next week we are revealing the newest wine label. And what's critical about that, or exciting about that, is it's going to be named after one of our top leaders. We don't know who it is. It's going to be a surprise to all of us. So stay tuned next week for my video updating what the new wine label looks like, what the wine varietal it actually is. It's something we've been told that we haven't had before. So it's not going to be a Cabernet Sauvignon. It's not going to be a Sauvignon Blanc. It won't be another Merlot. It won't be a Pinot Grigio. We've already got that as well. We've got a lot of varietals out there. So we've all been racking our brains trying to figure out what varietal is it. And we're going to be at an amazing event. So I just want to put that out there, that you actually can, in this wine club, no one else does this, you can earn your own wine label. And that's not just a single vintage. That is that specific varietal every time there's a new vintage ready. Okay? And I say ready because we don't mass produce our wines. We can put true years on our wine labels, like 2021, 2020, 2016 on our labels, because they are true vintages. These are true boutique wines. They are exclusive to our wine club, and you need to come see what it's all about. So check out the link in the description or on this video that you're looking at to come join us in our wine club. Hope to see you soon. Come have some fun. And even if you're not a wine lover, I was not, I have become a wine snob, come get educated. We share recipes and cooking and pairing techniques and ideas every single month on our Wine and Dine, and every single Saturday morning on our training for those of us that are doing this as a side gig. So come see what we are all about. see if this is what you want to put. I really recommend. There's no one else like this, and so many people love wine. So hope to see you soon. Have a great day.